it's long time. Then I start to play very late because before I played football. So I started in 2002 in Treviso. They had Sis Treviso, one of the best team in Italy, also in Europe. Nothing. So my career started around 70 years old. I'm lucky because I have the possibility to work, to stay every day with big people like Lorenzo Bernardi, Pasquale Gravina, Samuele Papi, everybody. These guys was my idol. For sure, since they Treviso, they give me this possibility. They pick me up to football club just because they watch me with some tournament in school. They called me for some training, and after this tryout, they say, for us you are okay, if you want to stay, stay. So I make this decision, and for me was Treviso in my head. Yeah. I can play both position, opposite and four, but I'm not so high, so everybody tell me it's better to stay in reception and attacking four, so spiker is my position. So for me, my idol is Samuele Papi, because when I start to play, I watch him not so high like me. With people than 2 meters and more, he jumps so high, he receives like machine. I say, in my mind, I say, these guys can play, why I can't try? So I try to find everything when I watch him, especially in technica, in the movement. That's it. I think, yes, Samuele Papi is my idol. Another one is, he was also my coach for 2 seasons. Lorenzo Bernardi is Mr. Secolo. Yes, these 2 guys for me it's most important for my career. I make this decision because I married Marina. He play here, everybody know her. For me, live here it's important decision in my career because I leave everything from Italy. It's nice because the climate is totally different. We have sea, I can go to the sea every day, for example. But I think for my family, yes, now for my family it's important I stay here. For sure, they give me this opportunity. We speak for a long time because they ask me to stay here every day, please stay. I make this decision. When I told you before, first one for my family, second because they give me this opportunity. I want to do my maximum because we have 4 competition. I want to try to do my best for the best result on them.